Hello everyone, my name is Allison Burton. I'm the programmer for the North Adams Library, and our theme for the entire summer is Imagine Your Story. But the book I'm going to read today is about a dragon. So I'm going to start off with a rhyme called 5 Green Dragons. 5 green dragons making such a roar. One danced away, then there were 4. 4 green dragons dancing around a tree. One danced away, then there were 3. 3 green dragons dancing around you. One danced away, then there were 2. 2 green dragons dancing in the sun. One danced away, then there was 1. 1 green dragon having lots of fun. She danced away, then there were none. Now, our book for today is There's a Dragon in Your Book, written by Tom Fletcher, illustrated by Greg Abbott, published by Random House Children's Books, copyright 2018. Oh, look! There's an egg in your book. It looks ready to hatch. Whatever you do, don't turn the page. I can't believe you did that. The egg hatched, and now there's a dragon in your book. Don't be scared. It's a baby dragon. Go ahead and tickle her little nose. Achoo! Oops! The dragon accidentally sneezed a fire in your book. We need to put it out quickly. Help a dragon blow out the flame and turn the page. Oh no! Your dragon didn't blow out the fire. She blew more fire. Carefully cover the flames by turning the page and tamp it down. That should put them out. It didn't work. They're getting bigger. Don't get too close. If only we could think of a way to put out this fire. That's it. Let's use your imagination to put out the fire. Imagine a great big water balloon right in the middle of the next page. Make sure it's full and ready to pop. Perfect! Now use your finger to pop the balloon and get ready for the splash! Hooray! You put out the fire. Give the dragon a high five. You have a great imagination, and dragon must be a little hungry now. Why don't you use your imagination again and think up a yummy treat for her? How about a triple scoop of yummy ice-cold chocolate and strawberry ice cream with sprinkles? Wow, that looks delicious. Yum. Well, dragon must be tired after all that adventure. I think it's time for her to fly home. She's probably very full. She's going to need some help taking off. Flap the book up and down like giant dragon wings. Almost there. Keep flapping. There she goes. Goodbye, dragon. Wave goodbye and turn the... Hang on a second. What's this? Oh, look! More eggs! Whatever you do, don't turn the page. Uh-oh. I think it's time to close the book. Carefully. The end. Now, a craft you can make to go along with this book is a fire-breathing paper roll dragon, the instructions for which can be found in this video's description. If you want to read another dragon story, you can check out Be a Good Dragon by Kurt Cyrus, which is available from Hoopla Digital using your library card and PIN number. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day and stay healthy.